This video will demonstrate the basic operations for first-time use of the Signalfire AI-30. First, open the toolbox. The tool case serves as the base and can be assembled into a workbench, with the top cover functioning as the work stool. The 9-in-1 multifunctional Signalfire stripper are located in the right side tool compartment. Then proceed to inspect the included accessories in sequence. Power button, zoom button, continue button, reset button, blade rotation button, OPM and VFL button, battery eject button, OPM port, VFL port. Long press the power button to turn on the device. First-time users, scan the QR code on the screen to download the Signalfire 2. Available on both Apple App Store and Android markets, the screen will display a brief operational guide. Press the Continue button twice to enter the splicing interface. Note, this prompt will not reappear after completing your first splice. Open the app and grant necessary permissions. No manual pairing required. Simply tap the device ID to establish Bluetooth connection. After successful connection, select Discharge Calibration to auto-adjust the arc intensity for your current working environment. This ensures optimal splicing performance. Continue until the app confirms discharge calibration successful.
Our calibration in process. Please wait. Our calibration in process. Please wait. Our calibration succeed. Please restart the machine.
Unlock the cleaver. It will only operate when the device is powered on. Wear the heat shrink tube. Fiber stripping with Signalfire strippers. Drop cable fiber. Insert into the 2mm standard jaw to remove the outer jacket. Use the Miller clamp jaw to scrape off the coating layer. Important warning, the steel wire carrier jaw is designed only for reinforced fibers. Fiber jumper cable, use the largest Miller clamp jaw to strip the outer jacket. Front scissors to cut Kevlar fibers. Medium jaw to remove the inner jacket. And small jaw to scrape off the coating layer. Fiber cleaning, use a cleaning swab with 95% alcohol to wipe the fiber. Fiber cleaving, optical cable or bare fiber, place the stripped coating point within 15 mm of the clamp scale, with fiber tip extending beyond the right pressure plate. Drop cable fiber, align the fiber jacket against the clamp stopper, with fiber end face extending beyond the right pressure plate. Fiber jumper cable, position the white inner core within 15 mm of the clamp scale, with fiber end face extending beyond the right pressure plate. Press down the cleaver top cover to complete cleaving. Fiber placement. The fiber placement requires that the coating must not extend beyond the clamp. The front end of the fiber should protrude beyond the V-groove and be as close as possible to the electrode needle tip, but must not exceed the tip. Close the cover for automatic splicing. Automatically detect end face angles, and display estimated loss upon successful splicing. Open the covers of the cooling tray and heater. Position the heat shrink tube so that the splice point is at its center. Place the fiber and close the cover automatically. The indicator light will turn on, initiating 15 seconds of rapid heating. Preheating can be enabled in winter to reduce heating time. Once the indicator light turns off, heating is complete. Remove the fiber and place it in the cooling tray. 7,800 mAh large capacity lithium battery, 2 charging ports, 3 charging methods, and ultra-long battery life. Red light function. Enter the splicing interface, turn on the optical power and red light switch. Insert the SC or FEC universal connector into the red light port. Press the function switch 3 times to switch to red light mode, typically used for fiber tracing and breakpoint detection. Optical power meter. Enter the splicing interface, connect the optical signal, and turn on the optical power and red light switch. Press the function switch to select the wavelength of the optical signal, with the default wavelength being 1310 nanometers. A higher dBm value indicates stronger optical power. First, prepare a standard light source with a known reference power value. Connect the standard signal to the device's optical power interface to display the actual measured value. Then, link to the mobile app and navigate to OPM and VFL under Measured Power Value. Click Query to retrieve the device's reading. Proceed to Measurement Tool Calibration, input the standard power value of the light source, save the settings, and the calibration will complete successfully. Language selection. Supports multiple languages including English and Spanish. Splicing settings. Enables turning the splicer menu on or off and adjusting parameters. Record retrieval. Allows exporting and uploading splicing records. Operation tutorial. Provides guidance on how to use the splicer. System updates. Supports remote system upgrades to keep the device up to date.